What's up guys, Madar Truga Development. In this video, I am repairing the pressure tank switch in my house. I had a problem with leaking at the nipple that attaches to the pressure switch. So if you have well water, you might want to take a look at this, make sure this is not happening in your house. And if it is, I hope this video helps you. Let me show you what I'm dealing with. First, shut off the electric. Then drain out all the water. Okay, once you have the water shut off, remove this nipple that you saw in the picture, which was connected to the pressure switch. This nipple was attached here and to the T here. Now you can see the hard water ate away at this pipe completely. This is brass and it's supposed to withhold corrosion and hard water, but clearly it doesn't. I did get this from Lowe's, and supposedly the quality might not be as good as what you get from a supply house. So this time around, I got these stainless steel pipes, and now I had a concern with mixing brass with stainless steel. According to the guys at the shop, that's doable. I also looked it up online. I also asked a plumber friend of mine, and he said it shouldn't matter. You know, I'm going to give it a shot and see if it's any better than these guys, which seem to, at least in my case, I would have to replace every 3 years or so. Let me show you some things that I'm using here. So I had to use this flat head screwdriver to remove what was left of the pipe in here, and that was a big of a hassle. So you kind of had to go at an angle, make sure you don't go across the thread, and you want to just counterclockwise rotate whatever that's left of this pipe that was there. And the nose pliers also for the same reason, just to pick up debris or whatnot. These are going to be used to screw the switch back on. Pipe dope. Use this to clean the pipe. And screwdriver. I also have this handy tool just to make sure that the electric is in fact turned off before you go ahead and remove these. And we are going to need to remove this because the piping threads in a different way. So I would want to thread this on here or here first and then thread it back onto here. And I can't do that with these wires. So everything has to be taken out. Take a picture of how this is wired to make sure that you can get it back in the same way. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is unscrew these guys just a little bit, and then these pull right out. Okay, so all this is this is holding it in place. Now that we have this out, I want to take the time just to kind of clean this out. Make sure this nipple is clean, and let's dope it up and then screw it on. Make sure it sits on before you go ahead and thread. So sometimes you have to go counterclockwise just to sit it. Once you have this on, do not over tighten it. Just give it maybe a quarter turn. Do the same thing for the top side. Just dope it up. Thread this bad boy on. Now we just put the wires back in. Quick tip: when you're wiring these back in, you want to put the wire on the left side of the screw, okay, and not the right side, because if you put it on the right side and you go to screw it in, you're going to see that the wire wants to back out. Whereas if you put it on the left side, all right, I push this in, hold it, screw it in, and we'll hold it in place. All the wiring is done. Before I put the cap back on, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the electric back just to make sure everything is working proper in here. If you have any issues with the pressure should be set. You should not need to change anything, but in the event you do, If I remember correctly, in the back of these caps, it gives you directions on how to adjust the pressure if you need it. And I'm pretty sure there are other videos out there to show you how to do that if that is necessary. Put the power back on. My PSI went up to that 60, so it's between 40 and 60. The switch is working. I'm gonna go ahead and cap it up, and that's all to it. And there you go, guys. That is all to it. I understand it's intimidating because you're dealing with water and electric all in the same spot. But again, if you take the proper precautions, shut the electric, shut the water, drain the lines, and then go to work, it's really just a matter of threading a couple of pipes and you're good to go. Hope you found the video helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. See you guys on the next one.